Hello kids! Today, we will learn about informational text. What is informational text? Informational text gives us information. It gives us facts. Facts are true. Informational text is not a story. It is not pretend. It is real. Why do we read informational text? We read it to learn. We read it to know new things. Where do we see informational text? We see it in science books, animal books, weather books, school books. What do we see in informational text? Informational text has a title, pictures, facts, information. Let's remember, informational text gives facts. Informational text is real. Informational text helps us learn. Let's play a small game. Tell me if the book is informational or not. Informational. Lions live in Africa. The cat can talk. The sun is hot. A dragon lives in my house. The moon smiled. Rain comes from clouds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video.